Welcome. In today's video, I will be showing you how to update your eBay categories in bulk. Please log into AdLister and go to the products page. Highlight the desired products and click on the Edit Products drop-down and select the fifth option, which is eBay category. A new page will appear where you will be able to see the titles of the selected products and two fields, one for the main eBay category and the other one for the additional category. From here, you can select the desired eBay category and you can opt to save and go back onto the products page, or you can save and revise. To revise the eBay categories, you need to select the Everything Else option in the Revise menu. Please note that if you highlight, for example, products and manage the eBay category in bulk, all those products will get the same eBay category. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching. If you're interested in AdLister and all its features, feel free to go over our library of videos, visit our websites in the links below, and also don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with future videos.